Okay, gonna try this for the third time. So I left my Rubik's Cube at work. I went by and bought one of these. It's different colors, but that doesn't matter. Still the same basic principle. So I solved my bottom layer and my middle layer, and now I need to solve for my cross. Yours will be a yellow cross, but doesn't matter. Same moves. So I'm gonna keep my top layer or my first layer on the bottom, and right now I have just one dot. You can have a dot, an L, a horizontal line, or a cross. Right now we have a dot. We're going to go through the moves to solve for the cross. So we're going to do the same moves over and over again. First, we're going to do the first move, then we'll get a L. It'll probably be right here, and then we'll move it around to there, and then we'll do it again. So the move is F, excuse me, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now we have an L. We rotate the whole cube till the L is in the top left hand corner, keeping our yellow on the bottom. Do the same move again. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now we have the horizontal line. If you have the horizontal line, you're ready to go to the next move. If you have the vertical line, you just turn the whole cube until you have a horizontal line. Make sure you keep your first layer on the bottom and do the same move again. F, R, U. This cube don't rotate good. U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now we have the cross. All right, yours will be the yellow cross. Now we have to see if we have two matching colors lined up. So we have the green. If we go this way, we have the blue, the light blue, and the dark blue. The green and the red are switched. See, the red's lined up with the green, and the green's lined up with the red. If you had two across from each other, you would just put them this way, and you would do the same move, and then you would have two next to each other, and you'd put one in the back, one on the right, and do the same move. We're going to do R, U, R prime, U, R, U, U, R prime, U. Now, we have our red, blue, blue, green. So all of our middle pieces of our cross now line up with their corresponding colors. Like I said, if you had two across from each other, you would do that move, then you would have two next to each other. You would line those up and put them in the back and the right, and you would do it again, and that would give you the other two. All right, so now we have them. Now we have to orient, or have to get the colors in the right spot. The corners in the right spot, I mean. So let's see if we have any of the corners that are right already. That one's not right. That one's not right. That one's not right. And that one's not right. So if we had one that was right, we would hold it right here. So, but since we don't have any that are right, you'll either have none, one, or all of them. We don't have any. So we're going to do the same move over and over again until we get them right. Once we get one corner right, we'll put it right here. So we'll do it one time, and then we'll reorient the cube. That's U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. All right, so we should have one corner right, and that is this one. So see, purple, blue, green, purple, blue, green. So that one's right. So we put it right here, and we do the same move again until we get this one right. Once this one's right, they'll all be right, okay? So we do the same move again. We do U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. All right, so is this one right? No, it is not. So we'll do the same move again. Notice this one is still right. We just keep it right here. We do U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime, L. All right, so now this one is right. Okay, that means they're all right. All except they're not. Oh, yes, they are. I thought that was red. My bad. That's purple. I mean, yeah, okay. When I looked at it to start with from the side, I thought it was red. Okay, so as you can see, we still have our cross. All that's right. This corner's right, and it's oriented right. This corner's right, and it's oriented right. So we're going to put the unsolved corner right here in the top right-hand corner. All right. Now, if we had 3 unsolved, we would have one here, and one here. If we only had 2 in the front, we'd have one here and one here. But since we have 2 unsolved and they're in the corners, we have one here and one here. Now we're going to do the same move over and over again until we get this one oriented right. And then we'll turn it around until that one is right here. Not the cube, just the top layer, until that one's right here. And then we'll do the same move again. We're going to do R prime, D prime, R, D. Same move. R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. So our color lined up, but we had to make sure we did all of our steps. Went to the D. So now we just turn the top layer to the next unsolved corner is right here. Everything else stayed the same, just the top layer move. Same move. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, and now our whole top layer is done. Now all we have to do is turn this until our color's lined up, and now we have solved the cube. And even though my colors are different, the same moves will work for your cube. Try it, let me know.